YouTube Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how many people misunderstand YouTube memberships. In 2025, they're not about removing ads platform-wide, they're about supporting creators directly. A YouTube membership allows viewers to pay a monthly fee to specific channels in exchange for perks like exclusive videos, badges, emojis, and members-only live chats. One major pro is connection. Members often feel closer to creators through exclusive content and interaction. The surprising truth is that smaller communities often feel more rewarding than massive audiences. Another advantage is flexibility. You can join or cancel individual memberships anytime, without long-term commitment. However, most people get this wrong by expecting consistent value. Perks depend entirely on the creator. Some offer frequent content, while others provide minimal extras. In conclusion, YouTube memberships are worth it if you truly enjoy a creator's work. If you value community and want to support creators directly, memberships make sense in 2025.